This particular session is going to cover Formula 15 and 16, how to pull the day text and month text by using Excel functions. Okay, so the target is ready. If you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Raju Skills, and let's play with the data. So previous session I have already explained how to pull the year, but this session is all about how to pull the day with Excel. Let me explain you. So without further wasting, here is go our target H column. Okay, you got a year. Okay, this is year 2024. So in the similar way, I would like to get it day also. I can get it. That's not the question. So let's go for the day in text. Okay. So that's what the requirement is all about. Suppose if you assume that you are having this data is a huge data, like 10,000 pages data. So that's where the formulas useful actually. Just a small data you can able to find it out. But this is bit difficult on this data also. Okay, it takes some time. So month in text. Okay, I'm just adding two more columns for this. Okay. So the ways, let's take the text function. Okay. So what is the value target? This one, and take this. Okay. If it is day, just give 4 times and close this. So you got Wednesday. So let's pull through. Okay. You are getting in the similar way by using text function, txt text. Okay. Select the target value. Okay, target cell value. Okay, date is the target cell value, and you want some format, right? Per month, starts column from your keyboard, 4 times M. You got March. If you want, you can able to check the data. Okay, 3rd is March, right? 7th is July, and 11th is November. This is how you can able to play with the system. Okay, by using text function. So not only picking the day, okay, day number like this, like 28th or something like that, on which day particularly 20th March, which day you can able to find it out. Okay, thanks for joining the session. I think you have learned this. These two we can able to pull by using text function. Okay, so that's it. Have a great day.